Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will be learning about header and footer. Header and footer is very important in document when we has to give some information on each page. To insert header and footer, go to the Insert tab and look at this header and footer group. Here we will find three options: header, footer and page number. Let's first click on header. As you can see, it has given some templates of header in this drop down, from which we can select any header we like or which is suitable for our document. We will select the blank one. As you can see, we are now into Design tab and all the important option to insert a header to our document is being displayed in the ribbon. Also, that in the page there is a new section called header is inserted, where we can type our text. I have written my country and press enter. After being done with the header, click on close header and footer and the header is inserted. Now let's go back to the Insert tab and insert a footer. Same as header, footer is also useful to add some information at the bottom of the page, while in header the information is being added at the top of the page. We will select the blank. Same as header, we are now into the Design tab and all the available options are being displayed in the ribbon. And a new section, footer, is added to our document. We can write whatever we want. After being done with that, go ahead and click on close header. Now as you can see, we have successfully inserted header and footer. Now we will go and look at the third option, page number. When we click on page number, a drop down will be shown, from which we can select where we want to add the page number. Top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins or current position. We will add this at the bottom of the page and we want to add that at the right side, so we will select this and click on this and the page number is being added. But as we have noticed that when we add the page number, the footer that we have inserted previously has been gone. So now we has to add that footer again, and after being done with this one, we can go ahead and click on close header and footer to save our changes. And we are done with the page number, a footer and a header. Thank you.